It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, we have started a new series called Kuestion Series, and we call it as Expected Questions of General Aptitude. So, when you observe the past 3 to 4 years, right, the focus of geometry and mensuration is more on in General Aptitude section for GATE and ECE exam. So, our focus also will be on more on geometry and mensuration questions today. Yes, before start of the session, let me introduce myself. This is nlnsarma, and these are my credentials, right? I mean, these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you 10%, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects. Why me? I am ranked 8 in overall category of GATE and DSC and ranked math. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date, CAT, UPSC and GATE ESE student. So this is the most frequent question most of the students ask me, sir, what is the difference between iconic and plus? What are the advantages when I choose iconic or? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship here, and your mentor, that you can speak with them personally about all your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will be getting best solutions to overcome that. Personalized guidance, you will be getting feedback for each and every test, each and every examination, whatever you write down, what you need. Rectifying your mistakes, automatically score will be boosted. Of course, right, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. how much you have to invest. If you are choosing plus, if you are opting for 24-month subscription, this will be costing you on an average of 2000, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% off, and you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance. After 10% off, the price will be 53,730. These are normal prices for Plus and Iconic, but as a new year offer, right, we are giving you flat 23%, not 10%, it is flat 23% when you use my referral code. And yes, after flat 23% discount, now these are the prices, right? So those who are eager to join the best quality courses of GATE and ESE, yes, do try and use code. Yes, you will be having EMI offer also. Those who are very serious to prepare for the examination, having very less money, right? Zero cost EMI also. Call to this number and get all the details regarding EMI. Here my referral code NLN10, you will be getting all the details there. Okay. So let's start solving the questions one by one. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question. Try it, then I'll give the best solution for it. Okay. Chalo, let's start. Yes. So I will solve this question. From next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question. You solve later, right? Try it, then I'll explain the solution there. Right? So one girl called Neha is asking me every day, right? So your solutions are wrong, right? You can prove me, right? Whether I'm right or wrong. So I'm here to explain you n number of times, right? Ask your doubts, clear your doubts, okay? What is the question asked? ABCD is a trapezium, and P and Q are midpoints of the diagonals of AC and BD, and you are asked to find out PQ is equal to, what is the length of PQ is the question asked. So chalo, what I will do is I will draw a line segment from P which passes through P. Yes, now see here, I will be taking down this value as R. Now, are you observing a triangle called DRB? Triangle DRB. Now in triangle DRB, DR is a line segment, DB is a line segment, and P and Q are midpoints of those line segments. I have drawn a line segment joining those midpoints. According to midpoint theorem, can I apply midpoint theorem? Yes, I can apply midpoint theorem. What can I write down? Anybody in the comment section box? My AB, see here, RB, BR value is nothing but equal to, is it half into, sorry, I should write down like this, sorry. My PQ value is nothing but equal to half of BR. Am I right or wrong? Okay, in what way this will be helpful? So I'm trying to conclude by, get my options there, beta. Right? So again, one more point. Now you closely observe there two triangles, triangle APR, okay, and observe one more triangle, triangle DPC. Now see here, DR is a line segment, AC is a line segment, and they are intersecting with each other. By this, what can I say? Vertically opposite angles will be equal. Am I right or wrong? If this is x degrees, this will also be x degrees. And I can write down one more point. So P is exactly midpoint beta. So DP line segment will be equal to PR line segment. Am I right or wrong? Because it is passing through the midpoint now. Means if this is x, this length will also be x. Yes, I have proved one thing there. And again, see, these two angles are equal, it seems. This is what the data given there. If this is y degrees, this will also be y degrees. Okay. Any other point there? Now see, as this also AC is a line segment, P is the midpoint of AC line segment. Matlab AP value will be equal to PC value. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Then automatically see here in all this both triangles, they are exactly congruent. They are congruent triangles by ASA congruency. By this, what can I say? My AR side is nothing but equal to CD side. because remaining side must also be exactly equal, na? Perfectly done. Now, see here. Now my AB line segment, can I write down this as AB, right, minus AR is nothing but equal to BR. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down like this? AB is minus AR is equal to BR. Now see here, in the place of BR, can I substitute the same value there? Yes, I can substitute the same value there. PQ is nothing but equal to half into AB minus AR. Now I have proven one more point also. In the place of AR, can I substitute this CD value? By this, what will be my answer there? PQ is nothing but equal to half into AB minus CD. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. AB minus CD. And is this my option there? Option number C exactly satisfies there. With simple triangle properties, I have solved this trapezium question there. So I am expecting you guys to solve the next question. I'll be giving you 2 minutes. It's a regular tetrahedron, it seems. Okay, so what will be the regular tetrahedron? What is your idea? So where is Naman Mehta, Pralay Mehta today, right? Anshita Gupta. Where are my regular students currently watching? So be active in the class here. So nobody here questions you. It is a practice session. Of course, if you are going wrong, correct yourself. As I said, nobody judges you here. So regular tetrahedron means all the lateral sides will be triangles, base will also be triangle, and all the sides will be equilateral triangles. I hope so you understood the point. What is regular tetrahedron? It's a basic thing. Oh, okay, Raju, right? Valid reason. Shubham, right? Shubham, if I draw the diagram automatically, right? So see, in CAT, the latest trend is they are not giving diagrams. We have to draw our own diagrams only. D. Mohit Agarwal answered me D. Very good. It's a right answer. So how many can defend this? Mohit, what's your idea here? I mean, in one sentence, how did you solve this? So let us know also. Shubham beta, if I draw the diagram, automatically you can solve it, right? In the examination, diagram will not be given, na? 10 seconds more. Now see here, I'll take the diagram there. So a regular tetrahedron of length 12 centimeter is accommodated in a sphere such that all its vertices touch the sphere, it seems. So I'll draw in a 2D manner here. I'll draw in a 2D manner. So let us suppose take this is a sphere. Now you have drawn a regular tetrahedron. All the vertices are touching. One second. I'll draw with blue ink so that we can get more clarity. This is your regular tetrahedron. I hope so. Now I am clear. Yes, no issues here. Chalo. Now, regular tetrahedron, each and every face will be equilateral triangle, everybody know. Now, beta, right, will you accept with me? This is nothing but called your height of the given tetrahedron. This is your height of the given tetrahedron. Now, see here, this is nothing but up from here I'll draw it. Now you closely observe that I'll extend this. Is it nothing but called the height of the base triangle? Am I right or wrong? This is height of the base triangle. Yes. Now you closely observe there. Everybody know. I'll write down this one. A, B, C, E. I'll take down this value as P. Now observe the base triangle beta. Now this is called hypotenuse, right? BD. I'll take down the BE is nothing but called high altitude of the base triangle. Everybody know altitude is nothing but equal to root 3 by 2 into A. Am I right or wrong? For an equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, because regular tetrahedron, each and every triangle will be equilateral triangle only. Now everybody know yesterday only I have proved it. In equilateral triangle, your median is equal to perpendicular is equal to angle bisector. Am I right or wrong? Perpendicular is equal to angle bisector. Done. Now everybody know this is nothing but called intersecting point of all into your A. A value is nothing but side of the tetrahedron, which is nothing but equal to 12. Now what is this value there? 2 gets cancelled, 3 ones are, is it 4 root 3? Yes, 4 root 3. Done. Now similarly, this also, now see here, this will be the height, or now see here, this point will. Now first of all, I'll find out this value there. This is by right angle triangle. I can do this, right? AP square plus BP square is nothing but equal to AB square. AB square. Am I right or wrong? Yes, I can write down this point there. Now, what is my AB? That's what you have to find out. AB square is nothing but equal to, what is your AB square value? 12 square, 144. BP value is nothing but 16 3s are 48. Now, which will be equal to 96. 96 AP value is nothing but equal to 16 6 are, is it 4 root 6? Yes. Now you have to find out this value. This is called your radius of the sphere, and this total height will also be divided into 2:1 because it is a regular tetrahedron. The regular tetrahedron, this will be divided in 2 parts and this will be 1 part. Now what will be this one? I'll take down this as AX. AX is nothing but called radius. AX is nothing but equal to 2 by 3 into 4 root 6. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now calculate this 8 into root 6 divided by 3. What will be your answer there? Anybody got the answer there? Now upon solving this, the answer will be 6.5 beta. Calculate this, you will get the answer. Done. Perfectly done. So this is what your regular tetrahedron inscribed in a sphere. Perfectly done. Let's go for the next question. So again, one of the best question here. So I got this one from Bodhi Prep. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. One minute more. A circular hall surmounted by an hemispherical roof, it seems, contains 5236 meter cube of air. Volume of air is given there. And the internal diameter of the room is equal to the height of the highest point of the roof above the ground. Find the height of the room is the question asked. Okay, fine. Any answer for this? It is like Mohit. Any answer, Mohit? So I'll draw this. A circular hall third option. No beta, it's not third option. So just I'll draw like this. Observe the things there. Circular hall. It's not a cylindrical thing, ma, circular thing only. Is surmounted by an hemispherical roof, it seems. So I have to take like this. Now what is the point there? It completely contains 5236 meter cube of air and the internal diameter of the room. So see here, this is called radius, internal diameter of the room matlab. So this is called your diameter of the room from top to bottom there beta. And this is nothing but called your diameter of the circular room there. I'll take down like this, 1 second. Internal diameter of the room is equal to height of the highest point of the roof above the ground. Now see, from ground, this is the one there. Now you closely observe there, this will be the center of the hemisphere. What will be the radius here beta? The radius will be r. Now everybody know this is nothing but called internal diameter of the complete circular thing. R plus r. Am I right or wrong? Which will be 2r. Will you accept with me? And this is r and r. Everybody know. So by this I can solve the question very easily. Now volume of the cylindrical portion, right? I'll take down this one. Is nothing but equal to pi r square into h. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So what will be the thing there? What will be your height there? Any idea? Any idea? Cylindrical part. So see here, height will be equal to how much? Height will be equal to how much? Is it 2r? Yes. So can I take down this as 2 pi r cube? No, yeah. Internal diameter of the room is equal to the height of the highest point of the roof above the ground, it seems. So the point here is, no. This is the point, ma. We have done a mistake there. This is not 2r. Internal diameter of the room is equal to height of the internal diameter of the room is 2r. Now see here, this complete value is 2r is equal to height of the highest point. Now this part is r only. So by this I should not write down this as 2, this is only r. So pi r cube only will be my value there. Yes, Mohit, perfectly done. Now I'll write down volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere formula, everybody know, it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So I will be adding down the both parts beta because we need the total room now. So total room, if I add 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r cube will be equal to 5 by 3 pi r cube. Now this 5 by 3 pi r cube volume is nothing but equal to kitna? 5236 meter cube. This is what given there. And I have to find out what? Find the height of the room, which is nothing but r value. R cube is nothing but equal to. And I solve this 5236 into 3 divided by pi value should be taken as 3.1416 into 5. Now what will you get there? Calculate this and let me know the value there. Anybody got the answer there? 5236 into 3 divided by 5 divided by 3.1416 is nothing but equal to 1000. So r cube value is 1000. So my r value is nothing but equal to 10. Now what is the question? Find the height of the room total. You are asked to find out 2r value there, not 1r. 2r value is nothing but equal to 20. This is my answer. Done. Perfectly done. Yes. So let's solve next question here. Now, this you have to solve, right? Complete mensuration into one topic there. So aram se, right? Those who can draw the diagram perfectly can solve the question easily, right? Do try this. Mohit, expecting an answer from you. So do try to hit the like button here. So on this, right, complete Unacademy CAT channels. So this is the best geometry session that is going on. Right? You can compare the videos with all the other things. Any answer? Of course, right? You can solve it very, very easily here. In a bullet, the gunpowder is filled up inside the metallic enclosure. The metallic enclosure is made up of a cylindrical base and conical top with a base of radius 5 centimeter. The ratio of height of cylinder and cone is 3:2. With cylindrical base and conical top with the base of radius 5 centimeter, the ratio of height of cylinder and cone is 3:2 it seems. A cylindrical hole is drilled to the metal solid with height 2/3 the height of the metal solid. What should be the radius of the hole so that the volume of the hole in which gunpowder is to be filled is 1/3 the volume of the metal solid after drilling it seems. So just like was an Abbas Mastan movie, many twists are there in the question there. Mohit, any answer from you? Jaiswal. So chalo, I'll draw like this. I'll draw a basic shape here. Take down like this. A hemispherical top it seems. So conical top it seems. Now see here, you have drawn a drill. So I'll take down this point also to be more clear. I'll take one part. Now see here, this is nothing but called your height of the conical top. I'll take down this value as, right, I'll take down this as h1. I'll take down the height of the cylindrical base as h2. And this is our base radius. Now this base radius is nothing but given as 5. Now the point given here is the ratio of height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is h2. And cone is 3:1. h1 is cone. It is nothing but called 3:2. Now I'll take down my h2 as, just for the sake of convenience, 3/2 into h1. Later on for the calculations, it will be very, very helpful. Now the point given here is a cylindrical hole is drilled through the metal solid with height 2/3 of the height of the metal solid it seems. First of all, height of the metal solid is h1 plus h2 here. So see here, I will take down the height of this drilled portion as h3. Now what is this h3 height? According to the data, h3 is nothing but given as what is that? 2/3 it seems, 2/3 into h1 plus h2. Okay, this is the point given there. Later on we'll do it. Now, first of all, I'll find out the volume of the total this bullet bulb. So volume is nothing but equal to, I'll take down total volume as V1. So see, total volume, right? I'll take down as V, volume of the entire object. V is equal to this conical portion is upper part 1/3 pi r square h1 plus cylindrical part is pi r square, because both radius are same only, that's why I'm writing down same h2. So what I will do is, in the place of h2 I'll write down 3 by 2 h1. So I'll make it as a single entity there. So finally what can I write down here? So what can I remove there? I will remove pi r square beta. I will remove pi r square outside. So here h1 by 3 will be left over. In the place of h2 I can write down 3 by 2 h1. So finally LCM will be 6. So this will be 2 h1. This will be 9. So totally 11. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So V volume is nothing but equal to 11 pi r square into h1 divided by 6. So I got the volume of the entire thing. Now this also, in the place of h2 I'll write down 3 by 2 h1. So finally this becomes 3 by 2 h1 matlab will be the thing there, 2 by 3 into 2 gets cancelled, 5 by 3 h1. Am I right or wrong? By 3 h1, h3 is equal. Yes, h3 is equal. Done. Now what is the question asked? Now what is the volume of this drill here? Calculate this. I'll write down in red ink. Now see here, what should be the radius of the hole? This radius of the hole is nothing but equal to, again it is a cylinder only. I'll write down this as V2. It is nothing but pi r square, pi r2 square, because radius is separate, into h3. In the place of h3 I can write down 5 by 3 h1. So this is finally 5 by 3 pi r square 2 pi r2 square h1. Am I right or wrong? Now what is the point given there? What should be the radius of the hole, so that the volume of the hole, this volume of the hole is nothing but equal to, volume of the hole V2 is nothing but equal to, so from total volume V1 I should subtract V2. So I'll write down V3. This is V3 now, right? So V2 divided by into 1 by 3. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Remaining part, metal solid after drilling, yes, perfectly. So by this what can I write down? What can I write down? Can anybody say? Now see here, this will be equal to, so I can write down like this beta. Now what will be V2? V2 is nothing but equal to, V2 volume is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 into V1 minus V2. This is the value there. So I'll take down this as V1. So finally what will be the 3V2? This will go the side. V1 is equal to 4V2. Am I right or wrong? So your V2 value just now you have calculated there. I can write down your V1 value is this. I'll write down the same value there. 11 into pi r square into h1 divided by 6 is equal to 4 into V2 value is 5 by 3 into pi r square to pi r2 square into h1. Now h1 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So what is this r value? This is 5 beta, right? Am I right or wrong? So 5 into 5 is 12. So 1 5 gets cancelled. 5 will be left over here. This is 55. 55 by 8. So R2 value is nothing but equal to how much? R2 value is nothing but equal to root of 55 by 8. So how many of you got the same answer there? Your option number 2 will be the clear. Answers, beautiful question here. Done. Chalo. Let's go. Let's solve the next question there. Now, unless until you guys doesn't know what is convex quadrilateral, you cannot solve this question there. Let's see how many can solve this. There will be two types of quadrilaterals, convex and concave quadrilaterals. in a convex quadrilateral. So just I'll give a data there. Now see here, you can take down this as convex quadrilateral because the sides of the angle at the vertices will be less than 180 degrees for damn sure. This is called convex quadrilateral. It's a polygon. Now see here, I can take down this one. Now this is also a quadrilateral, but this is a concave quadrilateral. Am I right or wrong? So see here, concave. This is more than 180 degrees. And see here, all the two diagonals will be completely inside the quadrilateral only. Am I right or wrong? In convex, in concave, how it will be there? I am writing down each and every point here. Now you should answer this, right? So here one diagonal will be outside the quadrilateral. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what's the answer there now? A convex quadrilateral PQRS, a point O is observed to lie on the perpendicular bisectors, right, of PQ, QR and RS. If angle PQR is 89 degrees, and what is angle RSP is the question asked. Ab dekho, right, it's convex quadrilateral, all the vertices will be on the circumference of the circle only. So I can draw like this. It is a cyclic quadrilateral beta. Convex quadrilaterals can be taken as cyclic quadrilaterals. Suppose take this is a circle. See, taken this there. So O is a point. Now, perpendicular bisectors it's in. See here, this is the perpendicular bisector. It might end at vertex, it might not end at the vertex. Now this is a perpendicular bisector. Am I right or wrong? Second. Yeah. So see here, PQ RSP. Done. Now what is the question asked? You closely observe there, angle PQR is given as 89 degrees it seems. Now you closely observe there, this convex quadrilateral is nothing but called cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral must be equal to 180 degrees. Now damn surely this has to be equal to 91 degrees, right? Sum of the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral must be equal to 180, and your option number C satisfies here. Perfectly done. Yes. Let's go for the next one. Now I will solve this question here. Now later on you can solve the next question. So the point here is a conical vessel with its vertex at the bottom. Now see here, this is a conical vessel it seems, with its vertex at the bottom. So this is like this. Has a height of 24 units. Now I will be taking down this as height. I will be taking down this as radius. Write down this is R. This is height. Cone is a 3D object. Now this is called slant height. How many of you will accept this? Let us write down some points regarding this. Then we can understand what we are doing there. Now you closely observe there, from the vertex, as the height is increasing, your radius is increasing. Am I right or wrong? Mohit, right? A convex quadrilateral, all the vertices will be on the circumference of the circle, Mohit. That's the property. As the height is increasing, radius is also increasing in a cone. Am I right or wrong? So height is directly variable to radius. When your height is increasing, your slant height is also increasing. I'll take down my slant height as L. So can I write down this point there? Height is directly variable to length. Yes, I can write down this point there. So let's see how it happens there. Now, a conical vessel with its vertex at the bottom has a height of 24 units and a volume of 216 liters. What will be the volume of the water in it if first question, water is filled to a height of 8 units. So see here, what I will do is I will be taking down up to only height of 8 units. Now, if you closely observe there, what will be the upper part? Upper part is called frustum. Am I right or wrong? Because this will be the thing there. Am I right or wrong? Now the lower part is cone. Yes. No. So my cone has a height of 8 units only. I'll take down like this. My cone has a height of 8 units only. How much is the height there? 8. How much is the radius there? That's what you have to find out. 8. Now what will be the height? Everybody know height is directly variable to radius. If height is 24 units, radius will be equal to 3 units. Oh, that's what I have to find out beta, right? I don't know the radius now. I'll find out the radius. Total volume of a cone is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So volume I know it is 216 liters. 1/3 into pi is nothing but equal to 22 by 7 r square. I have to find out. Height value is nothing but equal to 24 units. Okay, so I'll consider this as 22 by 22. I'll cancel out this for my easy calculations. 216 is 6 cube, so 36 by 4 9. So R value will be approximately 3. So if the height is 24, radius is 3. If the height is 8, what will be the radius beta? The radius will be 1. Am I right or wrong? Then you have to find out the volume of this cone. Then you will get the answer there. So I'll write down this 1 by 3 into pi r square is nothing but 22 by 7. Radius is 1 and your height is how much? 8. So finally I'll cross off this. So your answer will be 8 liters. No. Yes, it is 8 liters. Now you need not do all these things to find out the answer here. If you know this thing, automatically you can find out the answer there. Let us suppose take. So you have chopped off this cone at a height of 8 units. Out of total height 24, how much is 8? Is it 1 by 3? Yes, it is 1 by 3. Remaining part is how much? 2 by 3. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So see here, I'll take down this 1 by 3 outside. So 1 by 3 is nothing but only height. We have to find out volume. Volume will be given in cubic units. So I will be cubing it this 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole cube. What is your total volume? 216 liters. So 216 divided by 27 will be how much beta? 27 8s are 8 7s are 56. It is 8 liters. Now see here, I got the answer there. Now in mensuration, go with proportionate values there rather than writing down all the values. If you go with proportionate values, you can solve the question very easily. Now see here, I will solve the B question fatafat very easily. Water is filled to a height of 12 units. 12 units matlab, is it half exactly? Half 1 by 2. Height is 1 by 2, but I have to find out the volume. So I will cube these units there. So cubic units into 216. So 1 by 8 by 216. So 8 2s are 16, 8 7s are, is it 27 liters? That's it. This is my answer there. Perfectly done. Now I want you guys to answer this C question, right? I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. So I have done most of the part, but you can solve this C question very easily. Try this. The answer beta, right? Please do try to hit the like button here if you like the session there. Reach to more number of audience. It is turned upside down. Now the cone is turned upside down and water is filled up to a height of 8 units. Now, here I didn't explain you any frustum formulas there. So how will you solve this now? We have no need to use frustum formulas first of all to solve the questions here. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, height 16. Take here height 16. Okay. Then what happens? Now see at the question, I have got the same question there. Okay, do it. Let me know the answer then. So upside down it seems. It will be like this. Am I right? The cone is turned upside down. And this is your height. And this is your radius. Now this is your R and this is your H. Now see here H. Now this cone is chopped off from the base or height. Water is filled up to a height of 8 units it seems. So water is filled up to a height of 8 units it seems. Here this is 8. Now this is your frustum part. I don't know this formula also to solve. So what I will do is I will find out the cone part volume. I will subtract from the total value, that I will get the answer. Jaiswal gave me the answer there. So this is cone. Cone is of a height of 16 units. Now dekho beta, 16 out of 24. 16 out of 24 is how much beta? Is it 4 by 6? Is it 2 by 3? Yes, it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole cube, because I have to find out. So into 216 liters. Everybody know 8 by 216 is how much? 8 liters. 8 into 8, is it 64 liters? This cone can fill 64 liters. Total cone can hold 216 liters. What is the remaining value there? So remove 16, 200, remove 36, 170. So 216 minus 6. Yes, perfectly right. You're right. 216 minus 64 is 152 liters. Now this part can hold how much? 152 liters. Now come to the next question. It is turned upside down up to a height of 12 units it seems. Here we have done this, right? Cone of 12 units apne kar diya, right? What happened there? It became 27 liters. So out of 216, remove those 27 liters and remaining answer will be your answer. Is it 180, 189? Yes, it is 189. 189 liters. Done. Ankur, no Ankur, right? Right now the exam scenario have changed, right? So there is an equal weightage. Of course, arithmetic geo matlab most of 70% of the portion is done. We don't know now, at least try for the basics, right? If the questions are so easy, if you even don't know the basic, then you will get hurt. Prepare for the basics, right? Now, same type of question, if you can answer me A, remaining B, C, D, I will answer this fatafat. We'll end with this question here. Let's see how many can solve this. That's an easy question. I don't know what percentile are you aiming, Ankur? Then I can suggest you, right? What to do, what not to do. Eight questions. No, Ankur, right? 8 questions will lead you to very less percentage here. That will get troublesome thing, Ankur. No, you can watch the videos, right? Many videos are available. You can solve it. Some educators are teaching from basics also now. You can watch my videos here. A cone of base radius 7 centimeter. I'll solve it. A cone of base radius 7 centimeter. Take a cone here. Of height 24 centimeter and radius 7, it seems. Is cut parallel to the base to form a truncated cone, form a frustum and truncated cone. Okay, fine. If the cut is made at a distance of 6 centimeter from the vertex 6 centimeter, it seems here. 6 centimeter from the vertex. Okay. Find the volume of the frustum formed is the question asked. Let's find out the total volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is nothing but equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h1 by 3 into 22 by 7, as we have solved all those things, into radius is nothing but 7 into 7, height is nothing but equal to 24. Calculating all these things, 7 gets cancelled, 3 ones are 3 eights are, I think so you'll getting 1 2 will be the value there, right? 22 into 7 into 8 is 1232. 1232 centimeter cube is nothing but the total volume of the cone. Now this part value is how much? Is it 1/4? Yes. This part is 3/4, and you are asked to find out the volume of the frustum. So 1/4 is the height of the cone part, or otherwise you can find out the upper volume also directly. So I'll cube it into 1232. This will be the cone volume there. Now calculate this divided by 16 divided by 4. It is 19.25. So automatically subtract these two things, you will get the answer of the frustum. 1232 minus 19.5 is 1212.5 is the value there. How many of you got this? I will solve the B question. At a distance of 4 centimeter from the base, I will write down in black. From the 4 centimeter from the base, at a distance of 4 centimeter from the base. Now this height is 4, it seems. Now what is the question asked? Find the ratio of the two volumes formed, it seems. What will be the, there is no need to calculate the entire things beta. Now see, 4 by 24 is nothing but 1/6 part. Now this remaining part will be how much from here to here? It will be 5/6. Am I right or wrong? So see here, 5 by 6 whole cube. I can do this, right? Into the total volume, and the same thing will be written on the right hand side also. No need, ma. So is it nothing but called 125 by 216? Yes, perfectly. Now see here, this is 125 parts out of 216, and the remaining parts will be your frustum. Am I right or wrong? 216 minus 125 is how much, ma? 91. So finally, what will be my ratio? You are asked to find out the ratio only, right? So 125 is to 91 is my answer. That's it. I've done it perfectly. Is it 91 beta or 81? Once check it. 125 plus 81. Yes, we are right. 91 only. Come to the next one. At a distance of 12 centimeter from the vertex. So I'll remove this. I'll write down at the distance of 12 centimeter from the vertex. Find the upper radius, it seems. And I know one point that I have explained you in the previous slide. Height is directly variable to radius. If the height is 24, your radius is given as 7. Now your height is 12. What will be the radius is the question asked. So your answer is 3.5 upper radius. This is your answer there. Again, next question. Observe the question. At a distance of 4.8. Now see here, I'll take down this distance as 4.8 here now. I'll take down this distance as 4.8 now. Okay, and the remaining thing 4.8 from the base. Find the slant height of the frustum form. Now see, you are asked to find out the slant height of the frustum, this frustum. Now see here, you know that height is directly variable to slant height. In the previous data only I have explained you. If 24 is the height, what is the slant height of Deco by? This is 24, this is 27, and your slant height will be how much? It will be 25. Pythagorean triplets now. So see here, if 24 is the height, 25 will be the slant height. 7 comma 24 comma 25 will be in Pythagorean triplet format only. Now the height is how much? 4.8 it seems. So what will be the slant height is the question asked. 24 ones are 24, 0.2s are 25, 2s are 50, and your value will be 5. Is 5. This is your answer there. So how many of you got the things there? Perfectly done now. Exactly. So these are the questions, and I'll come up with one more, the best question series in the next class. So how are the questions here? So do try to solve this question in the next class and come back, right? Hemisphere wala. So those who know the answer, do try to write in the comment section box your answers. Those who are watching recorded. Okay.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, we have started a new series called Kuestion Series, and we call it as expected questions of general aptitude. So when you observe the past 3 to 4 years, right, The focus of geometry and mensuration is more on in general aptitude section for GATE and ESE exam. So our focus also will be on more on geometry and mensuration questions today. Yes, before start of the session, let me introduce myself. This is nlnsarma, and these are my credentials, right? I mean, these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you 10%, and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects. Why me? I am ranked 8 in overall category of GATE and DSC and ranked math. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date, CAT, UPSC and GATE DSC student. So this is the most frequent question most of the students ask me, sir, what is the difference between iconic and plus? What are the advantages when I choose iconic or? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship here, and your mentor, that you can speak with them personally about all your difficulties facing during your prep, where you will be getting best solutions to overcome that. Personalized guidance, you will be getting feedback for each and every test, each and every examination, whatever you write down, what you need, rectifying your mistakes, automatically score will be boosted. Of course, right, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, if you are opting for 24-month subscription, this will be costing you on an average of 2,000 per month, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% off, and you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance. After 10% off, the price will be 53,730. These are normal prices for plus and iconic, but as a new year offer, right, we are giving you flat 23%, not 10%, it is flat 23% when you use my referral code. And yes, after flat 23% discount, now these are the prices, right? So those who are eager to join the best quality courses of GATE and ESC, yes, do try and use code. Yes, you will be having EMI offer also. Those who are very serious to prepare for the examination, having very less money, right? Zero cost EMI also. Call to this number and get all the details regarding EMI. Share my referral code NLN10. You will be getting all the details there. Okay. So let's start solving the questions one by one. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question. Try it, then I'll give the best solution for it. Okay. Chalo, let's